A day after a second case of the coronavirus was confirmed in Siaya County, the government has stepped up efforts to ensure any possible spread is nipped in the bud.
Our mission here today is basically a mission of support and solidarity with the people of Siaya County in the fight against COVID-19 pandemic disease.
Our healthcare workers are actually our frontline soldiers, so to speak, not just for COVID, but for any other case management. They have always been there. And therefore, we will do everything. But if you do not motivate them, then whatever you're doing will come to nothing.
The government spokesperson, Cyrus Oguna, accompanied by the Director General of Health and other high-ranking health officials, toured the county on a fact-finding mission to assess the preparedness already in place. Oguna revealed that the county will be amongst those to be given preference when mass testing kicks off. Oguna urging the youth and innovators to take the lead in the fight against the spread of the virus as they form the bigger chunk of the country's population.
Bodaboda wamejaa hapa, wengi ni vijana. Tunapoangalia kuna idadi kubwa tu hawana face masks. Idadi kubwa tu hawaweki social distancing. Lakini wako na viongozi hapo. Ina maana kwamba county commissioner anapokosa kuona basi ni kitu cha kawaida tu. Hapana. Vijana lazima muingie ndani kwa vita hivi ili tuweze kushinda vita hivi. Bila vijana kuingia ndani na kina mama pia itakuwa ni vigumu sana kuweza kushinda vita hivi. Kwa sababu
they warned that the government will not hesitate to institute tough measures for those flouting quarantine rules.
Where people have failed to honor the covenant of self-quarantine or mandatory quarantine by maintaining distance, by not staying in their rooms, by not washing hands, we will not hesitate to even extend it to 28 days or 36 days to be able to protect Kenyan people. We will go the whole hog. If you don't want to comply, we will force you to comply.
70 to 80% of those that have tested positive for corona have come from the quarantine facilities. And if you can begin to appreciate and even imagine what could have happened is these people could have been left to mingle with the rest of the community. It would have been something that we could not even be talking about now. And therefore, as we look at what is not happening to them, we must also begin to ask ourselves, what would have happened if this had not happened to them?
Achola Saibon, reporting for Channel 1 News from Siaya County.